Welcome back, subscribers, back with another video today. And today, guys, I wanted to talk to you about call options and what they are. And you might be thinking to yourself, options? Oh, I've got options. Call options, or calls, is a contract that gives holders of 100 shares of the security the right to purchase said securities at a specific time and at a specific price. For instance, if a stock is going up and you purchase one contract of 100 shares, you could sell said shares of the contract as the stock goes up, or you could exercise the right to buy those shares at the end date. Say you would like to purchase an option and the current price of the current stock is $15. And say there was somebody who would like to sell those stocks to you for $17 at a given per share price and a per given date. You're going to have a premium for purchasing those stocks. And say they go up to $20, you're going to be in the money, which is something that's really good when you're doing any kind of investing. However, what happens if the stock goes down? Well, if the stock goes down, say to $14, then you're going to be out of the money, and the money that you paid for the premium is gone. And what I can tell you guys is, from my experience, options are a great way to make more money into more money with higher risk. With that being said, I would like to show you guys how I turned one of my options into a profit. And as you can see, at 420, bruh, he said 420. I had a call buy for $31 for one contract. And then I proceeded to also purchase another contract on 427 for $29 for another call option. And currently, the stock went up even higher from when I made that call option, and that's how I profited. And I'll show you that next. 427 contract for $50. So I made a profit on my 427 contract. Let's see how I did on my 420 contract. On 420, I sold my contract for $44. So there's the rub. If the stock went up and continues to go up, and you do a really good call at a good purchase price for a good premium, you can make a lot of money. But also, if the stock goes sideways or the stock goes down, then you lose the premium, which could be a lot of money as well. Or options are a great option to be able to move a little amount of money and make that into a lot of money, but it's also a really good way to take what little money you have and lose everything. So I think that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about options. Next time, we're going to talk about puts. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you could give me a like, that would be really awesome as well. If you haven't seen some of my other videos, feel free to check those out. I have a lot of different information there, and I think there's a lot of stuff. I even have a playlist on some of the things you could do to learn more about stocks in particular. So feel free to check out some of those. I hope to see you guys again next time. Alright, let's buy an option for Amazon on June 15th. Let's see, how much is it for one contract? Oh, good, $2,243. Makes sense. Seems like a good investment.